Welcome back to the calculus. So we are now on homework set number 5. This is problem number 1. The solution to this problem is going to be 19.6 feet. So let's go ahead and see how we get that value.
So in this problem we have a 20-foot ladder and we're going to lean it up against a wall, but we want to make sure that the base of the ladder is at least 3 feet from the wall. So let me draw a picture of what that's going to look like. We've got some wall here. Okay, so here's our wall. Okay, and then there's going to be a 20-foot ladder. I don't know how tall this wall is, it's really irrelevant, but we want to make sure it's at least a certain height, right? Okay, so I'm going to have a 20-foot ladder that's going to be leaning. Here's my ladder. Here's the ground. Okay, so there's my ladder. And so this length here is 20 feet. And now this length down here, the problem says it's got to be 4 feet. So the question is how far up the wall is the ladder? Question is what is this length right here? Well, it's pretty easy to find because we're assuming that the wall actually makes a right angle with the ground. Most walls do. Okay, so if we assume this is true right here, and we want to know this length right here, well, we use the Pythagorean theorem. So let's call this length x. So that means if we take the length squared and we add it to the base squared, we should get the hypotenuse, for the length of the ladder squared. So this is 400. These are feet, right? So feet squared. And then when I take the square root, it'll just be feet again. So that's x squared plus 16. So this is going to be 384 is equal to x squared. And let me grab a calculator here. So if I take the square root of 384, I get 19.5, we'll say 0.5, well 0.6, so 19.6. X is equal to 19.6 feet. So it tells me that if I come 4 feet off the base, I'm just going to make sure all my calculations are right here. Yep. So it tells me if my ladder's got to be 4 feet off, okay, then the height here is going to have to be 19.6.